Welcome to our channel. If you've ever looked around your kitchen and felt that something was missing, you're in the right place. Today, we invite you into the enchanting world of rustic wood decor, where everyday items can be transformed into stunning treasures. Our focus will be on taking old kitchen organizers and forgotten treasures, pieces that may seem obsolete, and turning them into beautiful, functional decor that tells a story. Rustic decor is not just about aesthetics, it's a philosophy of embracing simplicity, authenticity, and craftsmanship. In a world of mass production, the charm of rustic decor lies in its ability to reflect individuality and a connection to nature. When you incorporate rustic elements into your kitchen, you create a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels both cozy and lived in. It's about taking remnants of the past and molding them into something uniquely yours, creating a space that resonates with personal history and character. Consider the vintage wooden crates tucked away in your garage. Instead of letting them gather dust, why not transform them into stylish shelving units? With a bit of sanding, a fresh coat of stain, and some brackets, these crates can become eye-catching displays for your favorite spices or cookbooks. This transformation not only provides functional storage, but also adds an element of rustic charm that warms up the room. Similarly, old kitchen organizers, such as spice racks or utensil holders, can take on new life with creativity. By painting or staining them in earthy tones, you can create an attractive herb garden or a perfect holder for essential kitchen tools. Imagine a rustic spoon rack made from repurposed wood that doubles as art on your kitchen wall, showcasing both functionality and beauty. This project allows you to declutter your countertops while simultaneously enhancing your decor. Another exciting project is revamping forgotten metal items that you might have considered throwing away. Old forks, spoons, or even wire whisks can find new purpose as wall hangings or decorative pieces. By arranging them in artistic patterns or incorporating them into a shadow box frame, you can create whimsical art pieces that celebrate your love for cooking and rustic beauty. Each piece brings its own history, adding depth to your kitchen's narrative. For those looking to go even further, consider upcycling furniture. An old wooden table can be transformed into a rustic dining centerpiece with some sanding, staining, and reimagining its function. With a little creativity, you can add benches or handcrafted stools for a charming dining experience. This not only gives the furniture a new lease on life, but serves as a gathering place for family and friends to celebrate special moments. Throughout this journey, you'll learn various techniques for aging wood and metal, a skill that can add character to your favorite pieces. Whether you're using vinegar and steel wool to create a weathered effect or trying out stenciling with paint, these methods will enhance your ability to create visually stunning decor. Understanding these processes will deepen your appreciation for the craftsmanship involved in creating rustic decor, transforming even the simplest items into something remarkable. As you engage in your creative process, remember that imperfections are what make each piece truly unique. Embrace the knots in the wood, the scratches on the metal, and the faded finishes. These elements add to the charm and authenticity of rustic decor, turning flaws into beauty. By celebrating the history of each item, you create more than just decoration. You weave a narrative that adds depth and warmth to your home. We encourage you to share your projects and progress. Your success stories and creative interpretations not only inspire others, but foster a community of like-minded enthusiasts. Engaging with fellow DIYers will provide you with fresh perspectives and tips, enriching your learning experience. We can't wait to see the twists you put on our collective ideas. In a world that often favors the new and shiny, Rustic Wood Decor encourages us to slow down and appreciate the old. By turning forgotten items into treasured pieces, we help preserve their histories while also creating functionality in our everyday lives. With each project, you'll discover that the remnants of the past can bring charm, warmth, and character to your home. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. We're thrilled to explore the diverse world of rustic wood decor with you. Whether you're revamping old organizers or breathing life into discarded items, remember that your creativity has the power to transform both your space and your perspective. Stay tuned for more inspiration, tutorials, and ideas as we dive deeper into the art of rustic design. Together, let's create beautiful, meaningful spaces that reflect who we are. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our journey into rustic wood decor and found inspiration in transforming old kitchen organizers and forgotten items, please consider subscribing for more creative ideas. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might love these projects too. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more exciting DIY adventures.